Example 3. Question 2. Read about a short announcement or change that is happening on campus. You have 45 seconds to read it. You may start reading after the beep. Boop! Now, listen to two students discuss the reading. After hearing the conversation, you will summarize what you have read and listened to. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare your answer and 60 seconds to speak. Beep!
Now, listen to discussing the letter.
Hey, Julie, did you see this?
Yeah, I saw it, but I don't really agree with what he's saying.
No? How come?
Well, first of all, I don't think it would be good to allow students to do that because I think it would cause other problems, like people taking the food to class.
Oh, I hadn't thought of that.
Yeah, students are usually in a hurry there because they have classes to go to. So if they're just bringing stuff with them, they'll probably end up eating it in their next class, which can be distracting to other students, when they're trying to concentrate on the professor's lecture.
You've got a point.
Plus, I think the location he's suggesting would be a problem, too.
Really? It seems like it would be pretty convenient.
Not really. Think about it. That's a pretty narrow part of the dining hall, so there's not much space. And it gets really crowded because there are always a lot of people either trying to get in or trying to get out.
That's true.
So if they do this, it'll just make the situation worse, because people would be standing there waiting to pay for their food, and they'd get in the way of all the other people who are just arriving or leaving. It could be a real problem and wind up slowing things down for everyone.
Okay, yeah, I see what you mean.
Now, summarize what you have read and listened to. You have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. Beep. $25, 30, 30. You now have 60 seconds to give your answer. Please begin speaking after the beep. Beep. $50, 60 seconds. 65. The proposal suggests adding an express area in the university dining hall where students can quickly select food items like sandwiches, fruit, and drinks, pay, and leave. This area would be located near the entrance to help busy students avoid delays and take food with them without wasting time. Julie disagrees with this proposal. She believes it would cause problems, such as students bringing food to class, which could distract others during lectures. She also thinks the suggested location near the entrance is inconvenient because the narrow space already gets crowded with people entering or leaving. This could worsen the situation, leading to delays as students wait to pay, ultimately slowing things down for everyone. Example 4. Question 2. Read about a short announcement or change that is happening on campus. You have 45 seconds to read it. You may start reading after the beep. Boop! Now, listen to two students discuss the reading. After hearing the conversation, you will summarize what you have read and listened to. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your answer and 60 seconds to speak. Beep!
Now, listen to two students discussing the letter.
Hey, did you read this letter in the school paper this morning?
I did. So what do you think?
I think it's just a bad idea.
Really?
Yeah, it would actually make things worse.
How so?
Well, because College Drive is one of only 2 roads people with cars can use to access the gym for sports events there, and you know how crowded those games are.
Yeah, they do get crowded since it isn't just students who go, but also other people.
Exactly. And since there's only one other road that goes to the gym, if they did what he's suggesting, everyone would be forced to use just that one other road to get to the games, which would create major traffic jams.
Okay, I see your point. But what about the extra safety? It makes some sense, doesn't it? I mean, accidents can happen.
Frankly, to me, it's not even an issue. I mean, the cars on all campus roads move very slowly to begin with. And students are alert and careful when they walk or bike around here. So accidents just haven't been a problem.
Yeah, I guess you're right about that.
So this is a concern that never existed to begin with. All this would do is cause a lot of problems all around. It's not really going to improve anything.
Now, summarize what you have read and listened to. You have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. "25, 30. You now have 60 seconds to give your answer. Please begin speaking after the beep. Beep. "50, 60 seconds. 65. The proposal suggests closing College Drive to cars and converting it into a walkway for pedestrians and bicycle riders to reduce car traffic, noise, and the risk of accidents on campus. The woman disagrees with this plan. She believes it would worsen the situation because College Drive is one of only 2 roads providing access to the gym for sports events, which attract both students and other people, leading to crowded conditions. Closing it would force everyone to use the single remaining road, causing major traffic jams. She also argues that safety concerns are unfounded, as cars on campus move slowly and students are careful, so accidents are not a significant issue.
Thank you so much for watching and practicing your English with me. If you found this video helpful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe. The channel's growth will keep me motivated to make more content for you in the near future. Also, if you would like some help with your English, if you need coaching or English lessons, I'm available for one-on-one private lessons. You can click on my email in the link in the description box. Thank you again for watching, and if you have any comments, drop them below. Thanks again.